This project demonstrates the use of the Short Message Service Center, the SMSC, of one or more GSM network provider in conjunction with a personal computer to activate remote output devices such as to close a door, switch a lamp, activate an air conditioner, etc., and also to sense alarm input devices such as intruder, water leakage, gas leakage, high temperature, etc. The project is implemented under Linux operating system. A PC equipped with a GSM modem is used in conjunction with an SMS gateway which operates under the Linux OS. Two software applications written in C++ interface the SMS gateway to the parallel port of the PC, where the connections are made to the outside world for activating the remote output devices and also for alarm sensing and monitoring input devices. An electronic interface is connected to the parallel port of the PC where the actual devices are physically connected. A PC equipped with at least one parallel port is required for the project. The PC should be equipped with sufficient RAM to work properly under the Linux operating system. A Pentium 4 with 512 MB RAM, DVD-ROM, etc. is the minimal configuration requirement for this project. The parallel port allows the input of up to 5 alarm contacts and the output of 12 control devices, thus requiring minimal external circuitry to implement many tasks. The parallel port is composed of 4 control lines, 5 status lines and 8 data lines. It is found commonly on the back of the PC as a D-type 25-pin female connector. This picture shows the pin assignment of the parallel port for the data and control ports. The output of the parallel port from the data and control ports are connected to the input of the solid-state relay in the electronic interface. The output of the SSR is used as a switch to control the required output devices. This picture shows the pin assignment of the parallel port for the status ports. Pins 10, 11, 12, 13 and 15 are connected to alarm generating devices with normal dry contact switches, normally open N/O or normally closed N/C depending of the type of alarm. The other side of the switch is taken from pins 18 to 25. For the data register, pins 2 to 9 are connected to the +VE input terminal of the SSR, while the VAinput terminal is taken from pins 18 to 20. For the control register, pins 1, 14, 16 and 17 are connected to the +VE input terminal of the SSR, while the VAinput terminal is taken from pins 18 to 25. These are examples of output devices to be controlled. These are examples of input devices, event alarm sensor switches connected to the parallel port. This is the electronic interface and it is physically connected to the parallel port of the PC and which transfers the events to the appropriate device to be operated. The interface has 12 AC output sockets where the devices to be controlled can be connected. The interface is also connected to the AC power supply to provide power to the devices to be controlled. The interface also has 5 inputs where dry contact on/off alarm switch can be connected to provide for alarm events occurred in the system to the mobile user. An SMS is sent using a mobile phone to the GSM modem through a mobile GSM network operator to activate an output device. The SMS is received by the SMS gateway which calls a C++ application which in turn translates the SMS command to the required operation and sends the output to the parallel port on the PC. The electronic interface which is physically connected to the parallel port transfers the operation to the appropriate device to be operated. An input device is connected to the electronic interface which in turn is connected to the parallel port. The C++ application reads the parallel port and senses any alarm that has been triggered. The C++ application then translates the alarm to the appropriate SMS message and uses the SMS gateway to send the event to the mobile phone. The MySQL database stores all the events generated in the system. phpMyAdmin is used to access the tables in the database. This table shows the mobiles authorized or restricted in the system. This table shows the incoming SMS events from the user mobile to control output devices. This table shows the status of the different ports of the parallel port. This table shows the alarm events occurred in the system and subsequently SMS sent to the user mobile. Thanks for watching.